Hello guys, what's up, welcome again to my channel. All right, so quickly I'll be doing something really fast. Two things. I'll be giving you two very legitimate websites. Okay, now the first one is going to give you um their coin, their token, their coin for doing exercises. Like you walk a few distance and you get paid for it. And then the second one is mind blowing. I found out and I couldn't get my mind around it. Now, without wasting your time, if this is the first time of coming to my channel, you're welcome. You came at the right time. Now listen, what I'm about to give to you may change your life forever. You may become a millionaire. If you're watching this video, a big congratulations. Now let's jump straight into my system and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay guys, the first one we're going to be talking about is Sweetcoin. Okay, here I already searched. Okay, so when we click on Sweetcoin, it takes us to this page. All right, look at that. They pay you to walk. All right, so every step you take, you get paid for it. Now these guys have been working for a while. I have an account with them already. I have about just a little above 500 of their coin, and I'm still stacking up more. Now all of this is not just what will make you rich overnight, trust me, but it's good for it's good for is good for profit. Okay, you can make some good profit of this. All right, so you're going to find the link in the description. These guys, you know, the good part is they're launching their crypto very soon. All right, so each coin you get is equivalent to their token for whatever price it is. We don't know yet. Okay, so when they launch, we'll know the equivalent of one sweet coin to $1. All right, so that's that. And if you're using an Android, this is what it looks like, and also an iPhone is the same logo. All right, so this is what you need to look out for. All right, so you find the link in the description below. Trust me guys, this coin is going to be very expensive. The reason is one of five of this coin, I used five of this coin to register for a skill acquisition program on their platform. And normally if you check that coin, if you check that skill acquisition platform, is worth over $100. Okay, so if I'm going to use five of that coin to acquire a course of about $100, you know what the coin would be, equivalent of $1. All right, so let me not waste your time on that. Okay, so guys, watch out for the link in the description. And then the next one we're going to talk about is Atlantis.cex. Okay, now this website is mind blowing. All right guys, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to log into my account. All right, I'll just quickly show you what I have on my balance. Okay, just give me some time to do that quickly. Okay, now I'm going to log into my account. All right, so guys, watch out for this. I'm going to log into my account. I want you to see my balance. It is mind blowing. Look, this is how people get millions overnight. Like, you're wondering how it happens, and then boom, you're a millionaire. All right, so I have that in already. That's my account, and then I'm going to type in this captcha. Okay, now I'm going to sign in. I use Google Authenticator, so I'm going to need to enter that. So just give me a minute to do that quickly. And boom. Okay, so here is what the platform looks like. Okay, this is an exchange. It's just like Binance, Hotbit, KuCoin, Bybit, Trust Wallet, you know, what your exchange looks like. All right, so this one is based in the United States. About a month ago, they don't have all this much coin. I think they had just barely up to 10 or so, and now we have all this much coin on the platform. If you check, they are still trying to regulate the prices on all platforms. You know what I mean. If you're trading, you should understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so now I am going to show you my dashboard. Drum roll. Look at that. $458,000. Now, this is a verified account. I already verified it. All right, trust me, I already verified it. Now, what I'm waiting for is for these guys to launch fully, and I'll be a millionaire. And before then, trust me, I'm going to hit well over $2 million on this account alone. Now, if you are watching this, for those of you who were able to scoop up some credit, some coin from Trust Wallet, you know how beautiful it is to be an early adopter of a coin. All right, so it's really nice. Now guys, the link is in the description. Do you know what? You sign up now, you're going to get $20,000. I am not kidding. All right, so I'm going to show you my referrals. Okay, now guys, this is big. All right, you're not paying for this. You're not paying to do anything here. All you got to do is register and refer your family and friends. Look, you will be the one to make your family members millionaires. Trust me, it is massive. It is big. All right, sorry about the network. Okay, now look at this. I have referred 16-17 people on this account alone. Okay, look at that, referrals. Okay, now I got 10 ABTC, and 10 ABTC is $40,000. Do you understand that? Now I'm going to show you my wallet. Okay, this is mind-blowing, guys. This is mind-blowing. Look at that. I got 110 ABTC. All right, and each of them is $40,000. If you do the breakdown, you discover right now all we're waiting for is for them to launch. Guys, look at this. Was the first coin they gave me. I scooped up about $18,000 worth of it, and then they gave this, and then I scooped up this. Guys, jump on this now. All right, so like I said, if this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. We give really quality stuff. All right, so guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, and hit the notification, the bell notification, so you get more of this content. Guys, see you on the other side. Hoping to become millionaires very soon. Ciao.